We put pressure continuously.
Another day of horror in France. 3 people killed in a knife attack. 2 slaughtered inside a church. 1 woman's throat slit. Another man stabbed to death. The 3rd victim knifed outside as she tried to flee.
Hi guys, and welcome to Tactical Combat System channel. If you are investing a lot of time in your training with blades, with fire weapons, but you skip the training of tactical medicine, at least bleeding control and trauma knowledge, it's possible that all this training that you are doing daily do not help you as much as you think. Let's take the next scenario. You are with your family in a bus, and a terrorist is going in the bus and begin to stab the people inside the bus. You manage to deploy your firearm or your blade. You eliminated the terrorist, but until to happen this, he already stabbed very bad a lot of people, maybe also one of your family member. So if you didn't know, it's needed only few minutes until somebody can die from catastrophic bleeding. So what is the idea? That you have eliminated the target, but you are not having now the knowledge to save the victims around you. So very important, it's the bleeding control. A lot of the victims are dying because of the catastrophic bleeding. This can happen in a knife attack, can happen in a fire weapon shooting, or can happen in a car accident. So having the knowledge to use at least a tourniquet. In this video I have the c.a.t tourniquet, the combat application tourniquet. I also have a video, it's the link here. I was showing you how to use it. Also in this video today I will show you again how to use this tourniquet, and also how to improvise a tourniquet from things that you have around you. Yes. So very important, the most important thing is the time. How fast I can deploy, like it was before, how fast I can deploy my weapon and to use it. The same, how fast I can deploy my tourniquet and to put it in the place so I can control the bleeding. This is the reason why where you put the tourniquet is so important. If I put it in a bag and in a real situation, because of the adrenaline I cannot reach to take it, it will not help me with nothing. Yeah, but if I put it in a pocket, in a lateral pocket, somewhere where I can very fast take it and use it, it's increasing the possibility, my possibility to survive. So I'm taking the tourniquet out, I am opening all the tourniquet, I'm using my both hands, I'm coming around my leg, respecting the rule of hide and tight. Be careful to not have something in your pockets like knives, telephones or something else, because you'll reduce from the efficiency of the tourniquet. I am closing it as much as I can, the strap. Then I begin to twist the windlass. After the bleed will be controlled, I close the windlass in the special design place, this clip. Then I put the time strap, and if I have something at me, I am putting the time to write it on the time strap, or I am looking to the watch to see the time when I put it, especially if I am in an environment, rural environment, not in a urban, when I know that the ambulance will come in the next 5-10 minutes. So what we need to make an improvised tourniquet? I repeat again, an improvised tourniquet must not be your plan A. Commercial tourniquet, you must have it for the plan A, because it's designed specially to be fast and to work under these conditions. But it's good to have this knowledge, because you never know what the situation will bring you, so you can improvise a tourniquet that will have the same role that the commercial one, to stop the bleeding. So I need a shirt or on any piece of materials. Normally, if you have a cravat or something that is already made, it's perfect, because to make this is taking time. So I need time, and in catastrophic bleeding, time is the most dangerous thing, because my victim or myself, I am losing blood, and soon I will lose also conscience. So I need 2 pieces of material. One of it, don't forget always, like I say to you, the tourniquet must be, there are 2 rules. The one that is saying 3 centimeters above the wound, not on the joints, and the other that is saying high and tight. High and tight is when you don't have time to expose the wound, like now for example, to see where is the place, and to put a 3 centimeters more up than the wound. So in this situation, that let's say I don't have the time to expose the wound, I will put it high and tight. First, I take the material, I make 1 knot as hard as I can, then I will put on it. In this procedure I will use a scissors, and I make another knot. Very good knot. Then I begin to twist it. I twist it until the bleeding is controlled. Then I need another one to secure the tourniquet. Basically I need to secure the scissors, because otherwise it will lose. So this is an improvised tourniquet. I want to remember you that in the bombing attacks from Boston, they were using a lot of improvised tourniquets. Some of them they were working because they were knowing how to put it, some of them no, but it's the same system, it's controlling of the bleeding. If this is not controlling the bleeding, then you need to twist again more the scissors, or you come with another tourniquet near this. Of course, you can use different materials, not only the scissors. Maybe you don't have the scissors. You can use, for example, a tactical pen, and I will show you now. It's a metal tactical pen and can be used the same, or a stick. The idea of this is that it's to not broke. This is the main role of this, yeah. So I make the same, up and tight. I make 1 knot. I put a tactical pen, I make another knot, then I begin to twist. Yes. I twist until the bleeding is controlled. Then I take the other piece, and I am doing the same procedure like the other, tying the tactical pen in such a way to not lose. Yeah? If it's not working, again you are coming with another one, or you try to force it more. Very important when you talk about tourniquets is from where you buy your tourniquets. Your medical equipment must be buy only for professional sites and companies that they are making this, not from AliExpress and not from this kind of sites that 3 tourniquets are 10 euros, for example. You will have a real situation, and when you must use it, he will broke, and it's not good. It's better to invest money. The equipment, the medical equipment, I know it's expensive, but this is a matter of saving a life.